Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open the app My Files. Then you have to select which file you want to transfer. Like, for example, let's transfer some image from the internal storage to the SD card. For example, this one and this one. Then you have to tap here, tap copy, then select SD card, and then you have to just select a folder where you want to copy them, for example, download, and paste here. And now you can find these photos not only on your device but also on your SD card in a download folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.